So before we begin, let me highlight the steps required in order to complete this project and get your vaccine slot. Step number 1, create an empty Python project in PyCharm. Generate an empty file .py file. Your third step would be to really code. But before we code, we need to get state ID, because every state, whatever its name may be, have an ID associated with it, and this ID will really be used to call into CoWin and go to the next step. So every state name has associated with it an unique ID code. So we will query and get a list of IDs and state name from CoWin web service. Next, get a list of district IDs and name by querying individual state IDs from CoWin web server. Once you have this, then you have to select one district where you want to get vaccinated. Although you may change it, you may keep a list, and then you may pass into the program a list of districts for getting the vaccines. However, I would prefer if you go one district at a time. Well, you must remember, do not query by the district name or state name. You must query by the district ID. So once you have selected a district ID, the real fun begins. Here we will query CoWin server for all vaccination centers. And then get a list. That list will serve us, and we will use that list to get our date, the price of the vaccine, the center address, and geolocation. All this using one piece of Python code. Well, by the end of the videos, especially during the end of the videos or the last video, I will describe a simpler API that can be used to do all this. That's all for this video. Let's see you in the next one.